Hi, my name is Rahul. Today we are discussing about English words. Word with examples. I. For example, I am going to school. We. For example, we are going to Navodaya class. Me. This book belongs to me. My name is Rahul. Our. This is our school. Ours. Their car is bigger than ours. Us. This property belongs to us. Mine. This book and pen are mine. You. You are my close friend. Your. What is your father name? Yours. It's not mine, it's yours. He is my friend. Him. This camera belongs to him. His name is Raja. She is my best friend. Her name is Rani. Her car is beautiful. They are going to temple. Them, look at them. There, I like their smiles. Theirs, the blue dress is theirs, ours is red. This is my book. That is our school. These are my books. Those dresses are mine. Some boys are standing there. There are my books. Somebody is standing outside. Something is going there. Same. She is telling same lie. Such. Do not do such things. Many. There are many books in the bookstore. Few. There are only few students in the class. Other. Please read some other books. Others. There are only few students in the classroom and others are playing outside. Anybody can do this work? Nobody can do this work. Everybody going to play. Ground. Anything can happen in this world. Nothing to say. Self-confidence is key to success. Myself, I cook food myself. Yourself, you do your work yourself. Himself, he washes his cloth by himself. Herself, she washes her cloth by herself. Itself, my cat licks itself. Preposition. The school will start at 10 o'clock. After 9 o'clock we go to school. About. Teacher is explaining about digestion system. Along. Take him along to the market. Among. The ball was hidden in leaves. Amongst. The ball was hidden amongst in leaf. Amidst. I saw deer standing amidst the tree in the forest. Around. We have to protect environment around us. Against. We must fight against injustice. As you wish. Above. See the example given above. Except. I wash all rooms except kitchen. In. I live in Bangalore. Inside. The ball is inside the box. For. I work for my country. From. Water is coming from tap. Like. I like that pen. Off. Chair is made up of wood. On. The book is on the table. 2. I am giving pen to my best friend. Throw. I looked through the window. Towards. The car is moving towards east. By. The 4 is divided by 5. Before. I woke up before the sunrise. Behind. Our house is behind the temple. Below. The pen is below the table. Beside. One bookstore is beside our house. Between. Cricket match is going on India and Pakistan between. Beyond. The deer is beyond the tree. Beneath. The book is beneath the chair. Upon. He put the blame upon me. Under. He is sleeping under the tree. Underneath. He is sleeping underneath the tree. Near. My house is near the tree. During. The weather is hot. With. I am going with my friend. Without. I solve maths problems without anybody help. Within. I will complete my homework within an hour. So children, today we are discussing about English words. Thank you.